Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you how to do something that is so effective for the face, neck, jowls, shoulders, and it's a way of exercising our facial muscles. And I really believe in it, just like anything that we do to our body in workouts. When we exercise those muscles, we see firming and more toned, a toned, taut skin. So if you're new to this channel, we thank you for stopping on by. And if you would like to see content in which we bring you from our skin clinic in Southern California, we like to bring tips and tricks that help you in your skincare journey for firming and just looking your best at any age that is. So with that being said, I'm going to start with the first treatment. And first exercise, not treatment, and that is called the baby bird. And we're going to work on the jawline. And what we are going to do is we're going to turn our neck and tilt the head back as far as you can. And I want you to swallow. And right after you swallow, I want you to press your tongue against the roof of your mouth. And I want you to leave your tongue pressed against the top of your mouth for 10 seconds. Okay, that was easy. I would like to repeat those. I suggest that you repeat that 3 times. And now we're going to go over to the right hand side and we're going to do the same thing. What you feel is you feel a little bit of tightening in the jaw, and that in the jowl area, and that's what we want. So repeat those on each side 3 times. Now we're going to go on to our second, the second exercise, and that's called Surprise Me. So this exercise, it smooths your wrinkles and it widens your eyes, which is really important because I do notice as I age, now that I'm almost 62, I'm noticing that my eyes and my brows seem like they are, especially my eyes, are getting smaller. So what we're going to do is we are going to widen our eyes and without wrinkling. And our brows, we're going to focus on the point of the horizon for 4 to 5 seconds, repeating 5 times. I'm sorry, I'm reading my notes, so I need to do that nowadays. So I'm going to just look straight ahead at the computer, and I'm going to open my eyes and lift my brows as wide and open as I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I would repeat that 2 more sessions. These are just effortless and they really, really work. I'm going to do 1 more and I'll share more with you, but let's start with 3 exercises for our face. And the next one I really like a lot, and it's the puppet face. We're going to lift lines between the nose and the lips, which is the marionettes. And so we're going to lift the muscles up and press fingers on the areas for resistance. This time I want you to do this exercise for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our 3 fingers here, and we're going to lift the cheeks, and we're going to press downward on the cheekbone we're resisting with the 3 fingers, pushing up the cheekbone and using resistance, pushing the cheeks downward. And we're going to do that for 20 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We'll do those. We'll do 2 more sets of the puppet face. There is one other I want to finish with, and it's the firm and toning your cheeks and lips. We smile while slightly pursing our lips. Withdraw and pinch your cheeks into the hollows of your face as you do so, and repeat this 5 times. So we're going to purse our lips, and we're going to pinch our cheeks. Okay, I did about 12 repetitions, and I would do that with 2. I would do 2 more sets of that, and that's called the smiling fish face. I believe I did 4. Those are 4 sets of facial exercises that you can get started with. And I tell you, if you take, this is the key, is do a before and after. So when you start these facial exercises, start by taking a picture the first day, and then 30 days later take a picture and look at your results, because sometimes they're so slight that you don't really think it's making a difference. But as the months go by, you'll be surprised at the amount of firming that you'll see in your neck and in your cheeks and your eyes. There's about 4 more sets of exercises that I want to share with you, but I think this is a really good start. And sometimes I think starting out with less is a nice way to get your, kind of get in the habit of starting a facial treatment. And so let's start with these 4 exercises and see how you feel about it. And then I'll post 4 more exercises that are very effective on the face and neck in the following weeks. And then a little side note I wanted to share with you is we've got our hemp facial serum oil. It comes in the form of a concentrate. And so for those of you who are kind of getting into the, they call it quiet luxury. No, it's not necessarily quiet luxury. Just really doing a natural look. I wanted to share what I did with my skin today. This is just a tiny little sample of the hemp seed oil concentrate that was sent from the chemist, and we're launching this hemp seed oil. So what I did today was I just did a very, very low-key natural look, and I kind of felt happy about it. I really liked it. I think I'm going to do more of this. I just put my Reviving Collagen Serum on today. I put a nice, just a nice application of our Reviving Collagen Serum, and then I went in and I just put some eye serum around my eyes, and that was really it. I made sure the Reviving Collagen Serum was on my neck, but I went in with this beautiful, beautiful 100% organic hemp seed oil, and I just took a nice little. The container, the serum bottle that it's coming in is beautiful, but this is the sample size. So I just took about the size of maybe a green pea, very small amount, and I just warmed up my hands with it and I pressed it into my skin. And I just felt like my skin looked much more natural and fresh, and I followed up with our tinted moisturizer, which also is a sample that we'll be launching soon. It's a universal tint. It's absolutely beautiful. I just pressed that universal tinted moisturizer over the face and the neck. I put some mascara, several coats of mascara, and a little lipstick, and I'm good to go. But I think that's a really nice look, and I feel like sometimes that natural look is just very youthful and refreshing. So I wanted to share that with you, and I'll be coming out more with information on the hemp seed oil and the universal tinted moisturizer soon, but I just wanted to share my look today. It's just a natural plain look, but I think it feels really fresh. And then also the new launch of our gorgeous replica high-end perfumes. Oh, they're gorgeous. So I'll be doing a review on that soon. Just to give you a little hint, this is Parfums de Marly, and this perfume would sell at Saks Fifth Avenue for, I believe it's $475 to $425. I don't know. I don't own the original perfume. I probably never will, but I will tell you, it's called Milera. Anyways, it's divine. It's absolutely divine. I have that on today. And then I also have Creed Avantis. So my husband wore that yesterday, and that was beautiful on him. My daughter-in-law, that later on this afternoon I'll be seeing her, and she has some of these fragrances from the department store, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So I'll be taking these with me to dinner, and we'll be comparing the original from the replica. But I'll tell you, the replica is absolutely gorgeous. We ordered in a fragrance oil spray, and I just was just in love with how I was, my scent yesterday, and my husband's as well. So the Creed Aventus, and then one more from Baccarat Rouge 540. That one will be really fun to compare. And then the Delina by Parfums de Marly. Excuse me. Anyways, there's lots to check back for, because I'll be doing a lot of reviews on some new products that we're launching. And as always, I appreciate you stopping by. I am also going to I'm going to put this this facial exercise program on our site, and it'll be under my blog. So if you would like the instructions on how to do all 9 of the facial exercises, in the coming days, look on our website, jolispa.com, JOLISPA.com, and on the bottom of the homepage, I believe I have my blog, and I'm going to post these facial exercises. There's so much research on it, and I was just looking at a study done by one of the hospital's dermatology excerpt, and it was just talking about how beneficial these exercises are and what they do for the skin. So I really believe in them, and I've done them forever, and it's free. You can do it while you're watching TV. So anyways, I hope this has been helpful to you, and you've gotten something out of this video. I'm not feeling my best today. I'm not feeling the greatest today, but I needed to just share something on YouTube, on our channel, that would help liven your skincare journey. And remember, it's not just one, I would say. It's not just that one expensive product that you see marketed or advertised, that $300 or $400 serum or cream that these companies are trying to sell you. It's really a culmination of many different factors that we can create changes in our skin. And that's our motto, and that's what we do at our skin clinic, and as estheticians for a combined 46 years, Suzanne and I are very passionate about our skincare products and treatments. So with that being said, I hope you have a great week, and thank you for stopping on by, and give us a thumbs up if you found this was some sort of content that you enjoyed. Thank you.